Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, first and foremost, I hope my microphone, my camera, and my lights are all working perfectly. If not, I will make adjustments, but this whole filming situation is new to me and for me, and yeah, I'm just trying to get into the swing of things. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a life update. Some of y'all might not care about that, and you're probably yelling, just get to unboxings and show us the bags, which that will be coming very soon in the near future. But to maybe bridge the couple week gap that I've had, or the couple week pause that I've had on this channel, I wanted to just update you guys on what's happening behind the scenes. I don't think anything revolutionary, groundbreaking, or too interesting has been happening in my life. Life has just been lifing, but still, for the people that care, this video is for you. And so yeah, I guess we can start with me moving. So I don't know if a lot of y'all know this or not, but I have lived in Germany for 8+ years, the past 8+ years of my life, from 2015 to 2023. It just sort of like snowballed into me getting there, me loving the country, and then me staying. I mean, of course, you know, I found a significant other also there, which made it a lot easier to stay in Germany. But even if I didn't have my significant other, I still would have stayed, I think, for an extended period of time. And so my main goal in Germany was to live there, was to, you know, build a home, buy a home, have my own nest there, and make it my second home. But the trajectory that I was on and the hurdles and hoops that I came into contact with in the country really hindered me in being successful in my eyes, I should say, because success is very subjective, I guess you could say. And so the success that I wanted in Germany, I was not able to attain. And so I made the executive decision, the executive order, to come back to the United States for an extended period of time as well. Don't know how long I'm going to be here, and start school again, go down a totally different path than what I've studied before in the past, which crazy, y'all, that I got my first bachelor's degree over a decade ago, which is I'm old. When you can say that you did something a decade ago, like a huge milestone of my life, I got a college degree a decade ago, I'm like, oh my gosh, I am old. And what I'm studying and doing now in school, it has nothing to do with that. I don't say too much about what I'm studying or what I'm doing, only because it's for my safety. I don't know who's watching these videos. I don't need people knowing my school schedule. I don't need people knowing where I go to school. It's just for my safety. I feel like people can respect that though. And so yeah, you know, back in Florida, I'm from Florida in the United States, no longer in Germany. I have, you know, packed everything up. I made my last trip a couple weeks ago. That happened as well. I went back to Germany twice, I think, since posting my last video, and got all of my stuff, all of my purses, all of my belongings, and brought them back with me here to Florida. And yeah, I'm in this new apartment, you guys, which has been a huge adjustment for me, because being back in the United States, especially since like not living here that long and not having my own apartment, the last time I had my own apartment was also a decade ago. And so much has changed during like this amount of time. It's so mind-boggling to me that there have been so many changes in the United States, more specifically Florida, since I moved to Germany. And so homes for me coming back from Germany are massive here. I'm in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, and a lot of people, they ask me why I got such a big apartment for myself. There were not that many 1-bedroom options. I don't think I would live in a studio. I was looking for a 2-bedroom, but there were also not that many 2-bedroom options. And then when you looked at the price difference between a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom, a lot of times a 2-bedroom would be more expensive than the 3-bedroom. And I'm just like, I don't know why. This doesn't make any sense for my brain. I really like where I live. I live in a very cute community, I guess you could call it. We have pools, we have tennis courts, we have, I don't know if we have basketball courts or not, but we have a bunch of like things that you can do. We have, I'm trying to think, we have like a tiki bar, y'all, at the pool that I could drink at, pina coladas, margaritas on deck. We have a very nice gym, which I have loved being able to go to the gym again, because I have really been putting that off the past couple of months because I was making the move. I was going back and forth, school, I was doing all of these things, and so now I've been able to be back in the gym. And they have really nice what are they called? I think echelon bikes. They're not the Peloton bikes. I think they're like a little bit more affordable, but I actually like echelons, how do you say, instructors and their music playlist a little bit more than Peloton, because I have done a few classes on Peloton, and I personally prefer echelon, so I'm really happy that they have them here in the community that I live in. And yeah, I'm really excited about this apartment. It came fully furnished. This was probably not the furniture that I would choose for myself, but you know, since I was coming from Germany with nothing, it's not like I could ship all of my furniture from Germany. I couldn't ship all of my decorations from Germany. I literally brought, you know, things that I really loved and pictures and decoration pieces that I really loved. I brought them with me, but actual beds and couches and TVs and stuff I didn't bring. And so this apartment came fully furnished, which was amazing, because having to buy furniture to fill up even one bedroom would cost an arm and a leg. And so I think I got a good deal. Like I said, the style's not mine, but I actually don't care. And I only wanted to stay here. I only plan on staying here max 2 years. Where I'm located now is in close proximity to my school and everywhere that I need to be for my school. And so that was one of the main reasons as well, why I picked this apartment. And like I said, I only plan on being here, I would say 1 to 2 years. And after that, I would like to continue my education and go further, but I don't think I want to stay in this location. I'm in Southwest Florida, and I don't even think I want to stay in the Southwest Florida vicinity. I don't want to stay in the Southeast Florida vicinity either. I just see myself going somewhere else once I'm done with this first phase, but we shall see. I'm most likely going to stay in Florida though, because in-state tuition is amazing and I actually enjoy Florida. I love the climate in Florida. But yeah, that's, you know, school, what is it, apartment, what else is there that I've done recently? I got a new car, which is mind-boggling for me, you guys, because this is the first ever new car that I've owned in my life, because the cars that I had prior to this one were all secondhand, used, hand-me-down cars. So then fast forward to me getting my Mitsubishi Outlander. I love this freaking car, you guys. And like I said, this is my first ever brand new car that I have purchased myself, and I'm just so over the moon. I think I've said in a few videos that I don't care too much about cars. I really don't. And I think my car is somewhere like perfectly in the middle of luxury, not luxury, yeah, like somewhere in the middle of like luxury being here and very used being over here. My car is like smack dab in the middle. Like it has a lot of nice features. It's reliable. It's actually decent on gas. The most I've paid to fill it up when the little light comes on and I drive past that a little bit more, when I have like 40 miles left in the tank, it cost me, max I've paid is $48 or $51. So I've never really paid an exorbitant amount of money to fill up the tank. So I consider it being good on gas. And I'm also coming from Germany, where I think, how much did it cost to fill up the car the other day when I was there? Like almost 120 bucks plus. So 50 bucks to fill up the car, to fill up the tank, is not horrible in my opinion or in my eyes. And I like the interior. There are enough features to where it feels very modern and very like spaceshipy, but it's not too modern and not too spaceshipy where you feel like you're driving a toy car, or where you feel you're overwhelmed with buttons and knobs and stuff like that. I do like that it's clean, like everything's, I don't know how to explain it in car terms, but I just like my car, and I think that's very important, to like something. And I'm very excited about it, y'all, and I'm so happy that I made like this first purchase. I know there are people on YouTube that are like 18 years old buying my first ever $60,000 car, and I'm just like, oh wow, here I am Nowhere near that, and not buying a car that's like half that price. So I'm like, but I am still happy. I'm still proud. And I guess no one can take that away from me. And you need to celebrate all of your achievements, big or small. For some people, this might be an amazing car. For other people, it might not be an amazing car. But for me, it's awesome. And that's all that matters. And so, yeah, that's where I'm at right now, y'all. Having a lot of fun, a lot of big changes. But I hope to get back into the swing of things on this channel, because this is like my outlet to talk and have fun and to just, like, I don't know, talk about things and do things that I enjoy. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Other than that, I'm going now. Love y'all and peace.